Dun dun dun. Watch out, here comes Jurassic Attack from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. Wow, there is totally a difference I can already tell from this and Hot Wheels version. On the back of the box there, let's go ahead. Jurassic Attack is in the Crazy Creatures edition. Up top we have Gravedigger the Legend, Dragonoid, Higher Education. Then down below, Dragon, Avenger, Stinger Unleashed, Blue Thunder, and Gravedigger, that training truck. So let's go ahead and unbox Jurassic Attack and take a closer look. Here comes Jurassic Attack, the blue version, because there's also a green version, if you remember from the Hot Wheels series. But Hot Wheels also made a blue version. I'll bring that in here shortly. But let's take a look at the detail on Jurassic Attack. Very nice. Look at that. In the front, it's a wider. Jurassic Attack horns are larger. Also, back here, this part of the truck and the animal is bigger. Very nice. I like the wheels that they picked out, white, to go along with the truck. I think it stands out very nicely. We'll show you this side. Look at the detail. Jurassic Attack. On the back has Jurassic Attack. Also, the Monster Jam logo is now on the chassis on all Mix 5s. As you can see right there, it's kind of molded in. So let me bring in now, here was Hot Wheels version, and you can tell how much bigger and larger the horns are. Look at that. Wider too. This one on Hot Wheels, it's kind of flopping around. This part, it's hardly, you can hardly even jiggle it. It's very nicely done. So the cool truck for Mix 5, Jurassic Attack. Everybody likes a dinosaur, maybe, hopefully. You do too. So there we go. Thank you for tuning in.